The world of computers. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates important information or data. It can store, retrieve, and process data. You can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. Computers are used at work and at home, school, and hospitals. Computers helps us to connect with friends. We are able to gather information faster with computers on any subject. The computer has many parts that make it work for our convenience. Let us start with the first part that helps us see what we are working on. This is a monitor. Whatever we type, search for, upload or download are all visible on this monitor or computer screen. The monitor has control buttons. This helps change display settings. Monitors have LCD liquid crystal display or LED light emitting diode screens. These are flat screen, while the older monitors use CRT cathode ray tube. These are heavier and larger than the modern day monitors. The next and most important part of the computer is the computer case. The entire working of the computer depends on this. The computer case consists of the motherboard, central processing unit, CPU, and power supply. The front has the on and off buttons and one or more optical drives. In some computer known as all-in-one computer, all the components are built into the monitor, eliminating the separate case. We then go on to the device that helps us feed the information into the computer systems. This is the keyboard. The keyboard is one of the main ways to communicate with the computer. It consists of alphabets, keys, number keys, and various function keys. The mouse is another important part of the computer. The mouse is the communicating tool for the computer. It is also known as the pointing device. It helps to point objects on the screen, click on them, and move them. To make a computer work, we need electrical power, and for this we need an electrical cord. A UPS is an absolute must when you have a desktop computer. This aids is uninterrupted power supply so that no data is lost while working on a project or file. Steps to turn on the computer. The UPS should be turned on. Press the power switch. on the computer case. When the screen opens after a few seconds, we are ready to work. Steps to turn off the computer: save files, close all windows, shut down the system. After complete shutdown, turn off the UPS, turn off the power. The internal parts of a computer are the CPU, the hard disk, and the motherboard. The external items for a computer are printer, external hard disk, speakers, microphone. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, webcam used when making calls or during web meetings. The output devices are monitor, printer, and speaker. It is all this put together that makes the computer a very interesting discovery in modern time.